Let's see you swim all the way over to Callie. Can you get over to Callie? Kick your legs.
Kick them.
Kick them hard. You got to move your arms too. No, Zeus. Get out there and swim, Cal. No, Zeus. No. No.
Is that Mr.?
No. I'm not Mr. Toad.
Mr. what?
I'm not Mr. Toad.
Hey, Callie. Is that Mr.?
Yeah, Mr. Toad. I'm not Mr. Toad.
What is it? Callie, what is it?
Mr. Toad.
Mr. Tones?
Uh-huh.
Is that what they call you, Mr. Tones?
I don't like Mr. Toad.
You don't like Mr. Tones?
Hey, Mr.
What?
No, Mr. Tone.
Mr. Toad.
How do you say it, Callie?
Mr. Tone.
Keaton.
Who is that? Who is that?
Keaton, are you Mr. Tone?
No,
Yeah,
I'm
you
not.
are.
Who are you?
Keaton.
Keaton Alexander?
Nah, what's your real name?
Keaton.
Your name's Mr. Tone. Hey, you know what Uncle Steve calls you? Hey, what does Uncle Steve call you?
Mr. Toad.
Mr. Tone.
Keaton, look at Mimi. What does Uncle Steve call you? Silly.
Hey, look at Mimi.
Look at Mimi. What does Uncle Steve call you?
Mr. Toad.
He does?
Yeah.
Keaton. Who calls you Keat? Boogie.
Mr. Toad.
Who calls you Keat?
Uncle Steve.
He calls you Keat? No, Zeus, no.
Oh no.
No, Zeus. What are y'all doing? Y'all are good swimmers. He did a good job?
Alright, good job, man. Can you guys swim over there? Hey, can you guys swim to that step over there? Let me see. Callie, go swim. Kick those legs, move your arms. Good job. Swimming fast.
I cannot believe that you two can swim like that. You're such good swimmers.